Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. It's 6:20 Sunday evening, and freezing rain is developing across western portions of the state. This will only grow more widespread as we progress through the next few hours and into the overnight. This is a look at the latest HRRR forecast radar, and as we put this into motion, notice that freezing rain will become widespread through the late evening into the overnight hours, and then transition to a period of wet snow after midnight. Most of the precipitation should be out of here around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, and the damage, unfortunately, at that point, though, will be done with a coating of ice, we think, a glaze, if you will, along with 1 to 2 inches of wet snow. Not a lot of changes in regards to our thinking with total amounts of precipitation. That said, I did initially think that the precipitation coming in here this evening would start as snow. The concern now is that it's actually going to start as freezing rain, which obviously that can really glaze things over very quickly given how cold surface temperatures are, and something that we'll definitely have to be mindful of going into the Monday morning commute. If you don't have to travel tonight or Monday morning, we suggest not doing so. It is going to get dangerous rather quickly, again, with just how cold the surface conditions are. So limit travel if you can, that is for sure. Now, going forward, we are going to see a brief warm-up, relatively speaking at least, the middle part of the week, Wednesday into Thursday. But initially, we're going to have to be mindful of some drizzle and some freezing drizzle developing across central Indiana late Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning before the warmer air kind of overtakes things and we just transition more into a rather foggy, drizzly type regime through most of Wednesday with rain showers and a strong southerly flow developing during the day Thursday. Attention will then quickly shift, though, as we've been discussing, to a secondary piece of energy that's going to develop along the tail end of this cold front that slips through here Thursday evening. We won't pay particularly close attention to the specifics around this right now, but it should be noted that we have good agreement right now between the GFS, the European, and the Canadian for a rather significant winter event and an all-out winter storm across a portion of the Ohio Valley Friday into Saturday. This is going to be something that will certainly require our attention as we move through the next few days, and we'll be updating on that all week long at NDWX.com. Thereafter, fresh Arctic air builds in here early next week with some additional upper-level energy to likely spark some additional snow shower opportunities Monday into Tuesday with a new fresh batch of Arctic air arriving as well. Guys, stay safe, and again, if you can, stay off the roads tonight. We'll talk with you soon on NDWX.com.